The Oral History Association of India organized a conference, Mountain History at the Intersection of Memory, Politics and Identity, at Nehu today. The conference aims at unraveling India's regional histories and cultures, emphasizing the neglected narratives from mountain communities. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Rakame Sangma expressed his happiness to attend this conference, even as he added that human beings are here in the world to discover future. The conference focuses on mountain studies, cultural histories and politics through oral histories and challenging categories like tribal and indigenous.
Together and there were filmmakers
to request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly.
we thought that
academicians today don't go to it's about immense
request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
in Northeast, the mountains and the hills and the stream, the flora and the fauna. Who will discover? Therefore, today, it's my request to all academicians, research scholars, like all the scientists and the philosophers. I think here, we are here, not to invent only, but we are here to discover first. There are many what you call human speaking language, dialogue. They existed, spoken by the human beings, many tribes, has already been extinct.
The members of the Shillong